Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Discord account. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, if you don't have Discord on your PC, you can go to Google and search for Discord download. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and click on download for Windows. After click on this, Discord setup will be downloaded. Go ahead and click on open file and install the Discord setup. After you have installed it, you can see that Discord will open up. Now what you need to do is log in into your account. There are a lot of types from which you can log into your account. You can log into your Discord account using your email address or phone number with which you have registered to Discord with, or else you can log in using your QR code as well. Scan this with the Discord mobile app to log in instantly. And the last way to sign in or log in using the passkey. So there are these types of methods. I'm going to teach you the easiest method, which is the email. If you have registered with email, you can write down your email or your phone number. After you've written down your email address, go to the password section and write down your password carefully. Make sure that your password is correct and then go ahead and click login. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. And if you don't have your account yet, you can click register and sign up for Discord now. So talking about logging in, now you can write down your email address, your password, and finally hit login. After this, you can verify that if you are human or not. So make sure your email address or password is correct, otherwise, as you can see, you cannot log in. So after it is done, go ahead and click login, and there you go. This is how you can log into your Discord account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.